Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. The one toxin that most humans enjoy on a regular basis is sugar. Sugar has a deleterious effect on your body's cells, organs, and tissues. Sugar cravings are hard to resist because our brain and our neurons thrive and derive most of their energy from sugar. There are two things you can do to reduce your sugar cravings. Number one, mix a little bit of pure lemon juice in water and drink that glass of water before, during, and even after your meal. The lemon in the water will reduce the glycemic response of the sugar and reduce the sugar spikes in your blood. Second, mix a little bit of cinnamon, only 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon, no more than that, in a glass of water and drink it with your meal. It will reduce the sugar absorption. Thank you.